Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? This is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. I am just going to get right into it. Today I'm working on a 10-inch round canvas, and as you can see I have two base colors, Burnt Sienna by Deco Art and that Old Gold by Artist Loft. Using only these beautiful colors here that you see me pouring. White, that's actually metallic white by Artist Loft, and the gold that I'm adding right now and I added just earlier is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. These beautiful colors, guys, I'm just adding them here and there, just making them mixed a bit on that second base coat, which is the Old Gold by Artist Loft. Then you're gonna see me adding some more white here, and I'm just adding the colors just anywhere. Just I didn't want to just put them just in one spot. I want to just mix it a bit on this Old Gold base color. Next I'll be adding a custom mix deep burgundy, which is just Artist Loft black and Artist Loft red. I chose these colors because you know what, I want to see how well they work together, especially with that burnt sienna, that brown. I really want to see how they work together, because sometimes when you use gold, you really want to use it against a dark background to bring that gold out, right? And then with the white in here softens and brightens at the same time. I really wanted to use a deeper, darker base. So I know you guys will be thinking when you're watching, oh my gosh, brown, this is going to be really interesting. Let's see what's going to happen. Do stick around, guys. You know what? You might be amazed with this outcome. Okay, I'm using a slow speed blow dryer here, and I didn't want to get it all, splashing all over. So I'm blowing it out on the lowest speed. Okay, guys, you can use whichever blow dryer you have. Just use whatever, it will work. Just make sure that the consistency is good. That's all you have to worry about whenever you do one of these techniques. Okay, here just using my finger just to tweak it a bit, just to pull the paint inwards. I'm trying to create some petals here. I was just going with the flow, and this is it, guys. You don't have to settle for any one thing. You can always tweak your art. You can always adjust it as you go. Okay, you will see me doing this in today's video. Like, I've done so much. I've scraped areas, I've fixed it, I've done it just the way I wanted. Sorry about my head just blocking you right there. I was just blowing the edges out a bit. And yeah, just watch this video all the way out to the end, guys. I promise you, you will learn something new. I've learned something new by actually doing this painting. It's honestly not one of my favorite, but I really wanted to show you because you know what, the colors are beautiful. And when I say it's not one of my favorite, I mean I wasn't too happy with it. Okay, you know how I always do my videos and I always say, I really do love this one, but I have to mention, guys, like, I was a bit disappointed because it just wasn't going the way I wanted it to. I don't know if it's my base color was too thin or too, so the paint didn't really spreads out too much, so I had to tweak it, and this is why I keep telling you that the consistency of the paint has to be really on par. And you know what, sometimes us as artists, we are not always on par, guys. I'm telling you, it could be the brand of paint. We might use the same ingredients, the same consistency, everything by the measurement, but then the type of paint that you use might not, you might need to use less water or less of something to make it work. You just have to figure it out, guys, and I'm still figuring out a lot here because you know what, I do use different paints from different brands, and sometimes even with the colors, that sometimes when you use the metallics, you have to be careful with metallics as well, because you can't put too much of that pouring medium. You can't mix it too thin, it will take over sometimes. It's just a lot to learn when you use it metallics, guys, I'm telling you. Okay, here I am just using my finger to dip to take out some of that deep burgundy and to pull the gold out some more. All right, like I mentioned, just guys, just use your own imagination to adjust. Maybe you have something in your head that you want to create, but just use your imagination. All right, you don't have to do it exactly how I do it or how any other artist out there do it, the way how they've done a piece. Okay, just make it fun. Remember, it's fun. Okay, art is really fun, and I'm happy to share, you know, some of my flaws, some of it's not always the best. Okay, and like I mentioned, this is not one of my favorite, but I honestly love the colors in here. I love this color combination, so earth tone, and I just love it. I really want you guys to watch it all the way to the end and let me know how this one makes you feel. And yeah, you will see me making my adjustments, so let me know how what you think about me doing the adjustment. Should I have left it? Whatever it is, let me know everything. Put it all in the comment section below. All right, so I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Thank you. All right, here it is, the close-up of the wet result. Yes, I know I spent some time scraping off you know, the excess from that spin out, and then I went and added some more of that burnt sienna. I know I didn't show you the entire process of me adding the burnt sienna, but guys, you know what, the most important, you saw me scraping it off, and I was just using my simple tool there, a popsicle stick, to scrape it off. So it wasn't even the fanciest as well. I just wanted to, you know, show some the definition of the petals here. I just wanted some more brown to show, you know, the flow and all that of the petals. So I do love it. And here I love the center. I do love the center. I love the golds. I love everything. I love how the petals itself, you know, showing the different highlights with the white, and that old gold. It's a little bit more subtle than the Deco Art 24 karat gold. So you see where I'm seeing cells right now, the cells creation is from that Deco Art 24 karat gold. I'm telling you, beautiful. And all that shimmer that you're seeing from it, it's beautiful as well. Beautiful color combination here. And of course, here it is, the dried result. Love it. Loving all those shimmer in here, and loving how the flash picks up, you know, the gold, and I'm loving the highlights with the white. So soft and bright at the same time. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you next time on Camila Moy Art. Bye.